STI stock analysis March 13 and onward. Should you buy now? I'm covering this in the next 1 minute. And after 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in training, mentors, and education, I figured out what's making money, and I do have all the proof to back it up documented on this YouTube channel. With Solidion technology stock, I mean, I get it, 48% increase in price is actually quite sick. But what I'm not going to do is just start buying randomly. Like, I know these types of tickers and movements do like to go, after a day like this, they totally like to just shift and just continue to do its thing. And honestly, I'm not going to just forbid myself from trying out the waters, right? And what do I mean by that is that, yeah, sure, there's nothing wrong with potentially just doubling down on this bullish market tomorrow if the rules are met. And what are the rules? For me specifically, I would like to just a little pull down, so maybe we cleared out the lows. And then if I see the shift, then I'm looking to take things up. Without the red thing actually happening, that there's no way that I'll look to take things up, right? If you don't, if this is hard for you to kind of understand, just go here, that makes a whole lot of more sense. But if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.